Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Beckers. Me and Carm here. So today we have an unboxing that we got. It's two yard tools. We have a leaf blower and a chainsaw.
Two, count 'em, two.
They're both electric and cordless and everything. So we'll check out the Becker bullets and we'll get right into it.
Boom.
Alright, today we have a combo that we ordered from WORX, WORX.com. So no link in the description, but they definitely had the best price on this. This is going to be a chainsaw and a blower. So we'll get right into it. What kind of box cutter is that, Jesse? Oh, it's a very highly tuned instrument, calibrated specifically for opening boxes. Ooh. Box of stuff. Box of stuff. Alright, what's in this box of stuff, you ask? I'm wondering the same thing. Except that I just told you what it was. So, here we go. Cardboard. Blower. Nice. Whoa. Goes up to 2. What I like about the WORX things is that all their batteries are interchangeable and they're really quiet for being like power tools, and they are very effective. Oh yeah. Big old tube. That'll work. Oh, extender. That'll work even better. Like, put it on. But be careful. Oh yeah, dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Gotta put this on. There's the little ridge on the bottom, a ridge on the tube. So line up those ridges. Boom. Next, we'll see that outside. Alright, next is the chainsaw. Wham, wham, wham. Oh, nice. Fill with bar and chain oil before use. We gotta get some of that. Wing ging 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 ging. Just kidding. It's probably not gonna make that sound. It's probably just gonna be like. It's gonna be very scary, but also silent. Just sheathe this bad boy. Could wear it on my hip. On guard. With the whole thing. It's not too heavy. That'd be a sweet sword. Chain sword. Saw. And lastly, a charger. And 1 battery. Woo! So it was all that for like $180 or so. We'll get some oil and we'll take this bad boy outside too. After I put it together very safely and securely. That way we know it works. Alright guys, we're outside, so we got everything set up. That's about how big the blower is, about a pallet long. We'll use that in a moment. But we went and got some bar and chain oil for the chainsaw. There's the bar and chain, and there's where the oil goes. No, I'm just kidding, obviously. Anyway, so I'm gonna put that on there, and then we'll use that as well. And then we'll blow this joint. All right, first I'm gonna take off this little warning tag. this off. Okay, turn it towards the back, so like counterclockwise. Pull off the front part. There's a diagram here of how the tooth of the chainsaw should go. So on the blade we have like flat and kind of angled. So it's gonna be going this way. It's kind of the same diagram here.
Nice, okay.
And the words line up. Make it look like a chainsaw. Boom. So, these inner parts should be in these grooves. And then you slide the bar forward so that the chain isn't like janky in there like that. So slide it forward. Then we put this back on there. Then you turn it clockwise to tighten it. You grab like this, and then like this, and pull up here to make sure that it's good. When you pull it, all of the like guides should be in the bar. And that's kind of how you know you have good like tension in there. It says not to pull on both sides, so I'm not gonna do that. And here's kind of the instructions that the book comes with. So here's like the little emblem that we matched up. Here's us laying the bar and the chain over there. It's going in the right direction. It's pulled taut, not kind of jankety. And then we tightened it. Grab it, lift it, check the tension. And then as long as it like doesn't clear the bar. And then if you have the pole arm, then you keep on going. We don't have the pole arm. Bad manual. No, I'm just kidding. Good manual still, I guess. And now we're ready! Just kidding. Okay, so now, oil. Getting oiled up, and lubed up and stuff. Actually, let me see if there's any more notes in the notes. Turn this clockwise until it's tight. That's pretty tight. Oh, that's too tight. Chain should rotate freely. Darn me, Jess. There we go. Just loosen it up if you're stupid. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Overzealous.
Exactly. Okay.
That's okay, we have magic editing, we can cut it.
Okay. Boom. Boom, boom. What's up with this?
Foreman Roomba on the job, as always, helping out.
So it should rise half of the like guide length. So like, actually mine should be maybe a smidge tighter. There we go. Okay, now we are ready to add the oil. Got your barn chain oil, SAE 30. It's the only one that Walmart had, so hopefully it's the right one. Some people use funnels, but isn't the bottle a funnel in itself? Whoop. Okay, that's on there. Woo! I can feel the deadly power in my hands. Boom. So now we'll head to the front. We'll get a couple of cinder blocks and get some wood, test it out, see how it works, and cut down the competition. I'm just kidding. So, got my eye protection. Gonna do some experimenting on the wood. Okay, so we've got these logs supported on both sides. So we're gonna cut a third of it into the top, and then the rest of the 2/3 through the bottom. That's what the book says. If you're a professional chainsawer, let me know what I'm doing wrong in the comments so that I don't like chop my own head off. And or just come over and show me how to use a chainsaw. Woo! Nice.
Oh.
Something went wrong. Maybe tighter chain.
Because yesterday was my 1-year anniversary with my boyfriend.
No, we do not live in Grand Theft Auto. It just sounds like it.
Okay, round 2. A little better, I think. Maybe it's too thick. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Let's journey on down to a smaller part of the log. Oh, it got close. Kinda. I'm just gonna try over here again, actually.
It scared me.
So, this is probably a little bit too thick of a piece of log to cut with this chainsaw. Or you have to be a better chainsaw user. Don't be first time in this kind of log, people. But the good news is once you get it here, you can just give it a good stomp and then, like, you know, bust it. Let's try on a thinner piece. Woo! Success! Bam! Still
The
get
crowd
just about
goes
as
wild.
hot doing this as like hand sawing. Maybe it's just because I'm like nervous, but maybe it's because it's just hot. But I'm sure at some point this is gonna be easier and less nerve-wracking. That's the idea.
It's getting easier every time.
That's true. That's true. Oh, watch this one. Never mind, don't watch. Alright, out of battery with the saw, and we were able to cut up about this much wood. I was able to get through some of those bigger chunks after I kind of got the swing of it, so that's good. There was still a little bit difficult, like as you can see, but for like these thinner ones here, perfect. So I'm sure this would be a much better limmer than an actual chainsaw, but I'm sure a pro chainsaw could do it. So at first I was like, man, do I even really need... Hey. Okay. So at first I was like, do I even need a blower? Like, why did we get that? But then I was like, well, after I weed, sometimes it's kind of hard to tell what I've weeded and what I haven't, so here we go. So this is one. Missed the spot. Okay, here's two. So this is matched. That's good. It's not bad. Where is it? It will be good for this, however. Nice. A little patio thing hasn't been this clean in a long time.
Lay it to him straight.
Alright guys, that chainsaw was pretty good. If I was a little bit better, then I'd be able to like chop it up something fierce for sure. And the blower, maybe not as strong as I wanted, but it definitely blew things around. So I mean, it did what it was supposed to. But we got them both for like 180 plus the battery plus the charger, so super good deal. Can't argue with that. And yeah, definitely worth the money for sure. But thanks again so much, you guys, for watching. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And we'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Welcome back, guys. We're getting ready to light the fire.